If I told you there's a way to increase traffic and revenue without creating a single new piece of content, would you take it? Good, because today we are talking about one of the highest leverage, lowest cost optimizations on your website title tags. Hey, friend, Lance here. Title tags are not sexy, they're not flashy, but they are absolutely tied to traffic and revenue. And most teams treat them like a one time SEO checkbox. Write them once, forget about them, move on to something that feels bigger. Meanwhile, they are still a ranking factor. They are the first thing someone sees in search results. They directly influence click through rate, and you only get about 60 characters to make your case with those title tags. That is not a lot of real estate. Here is what I constantly see: leading with the company name on every single page, burying the actual service or product, ignoring geography for local businesses, making a promise the page does not actually deliver on. Remember this: your title tag is a promise. If the click does not match the promise, trust erodes, and Google is watching that behavior. So let's break this down clearly. Here's your activity: go to Google Search Console and pull your top pages and queries. Look for high impressions and low click through rate. That is your opportunity. Identify which services or offers you actually want more clicks and leads from. Rewrite the titles with clear service plus geography for local pages. Where it makes sense, test adding an offer like free estimate or free audit inside of that 60 character limit. Use AI to help, but give it constraints. Target keyword, geography, character limit, search intent, page goal. Do not just paste in a list and say rewrite these. Finally, spot check what Google is rewriting and look for patterns. Your output is a prioritized list of pages with updated, intent aligned title tags. Title tags that clearly state the service and metro where relevant. Select pages that incorporate a compelling offer when it matches intent, and a documented AI prompt you can reuse every quarter or so. The outcome: higher click through rate without new content, more qualified traffic because expectations are clearer, better alignment between what you rank for and what actually drives revenue. Quick pro tip: stop wasting characters on your brand name across every page. Google already shows your business name above the title tag in search results. Use those characters for what drives the click. Your homepage is usually an exception. And yes, Google will sometimes rewrite your title tag. That is not a reason to ignore them. It is a reason to make them stronger. Smaller characters, big leverage. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, follow, share it with someone on your team who owns SEO. And if you want more practical website strategies tied directly to revenue signals, stick around. There's going to be more. We'll talk soon.